Well, everybody, it just been a stop, but I made half the engine. We put this black thing right in front of the blue, and we put this black thing, the same one right in front of the yellow, the gas tank. The blue is the oil tank. Then get this mirror. Then get the engine top, put it above the engine. Then get the mirror, put it up right behind the engine. Then get the steering wheel, put it right in the middle of two dots in front of the engine. Mama. Not on top of the engine. See how I put it right there? Then you put this on the back, but one over like that. Then put the other one the same. That's how you make the whole truck. Let's see you in the next channel. Bye.